doing the Don't Choose the Wrong Easter Egg Slime Challenge.
Woo! All right, I can't wait for this challenge.
Let's get to it.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Let's get to it.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, okay, Dima.
I'm gonna go with this pink one.
Ooh, the giant one.
Golden one.
All right, rock, paper.
Are we gonna? Oh yeah, we're opening everything at the end.
Yeah, rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I got you, and you got me.
I
Wait,
got.
What are you doing?
Scissors.
Why are you doing it?
Yeah, because I'm going to pick it for you guys.
But I beat Dima. Dima beat you. You beat me. So again.
One more time. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I got.
Ah. Okay.
With pink.
I'm gonna go with purple.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay. I'm gonna go with green.
Okay, we'll see who's gonna be the winner of this challenge.
This pink.
Okay, there's two more. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, I gotcha.
I got you.
Got you.
One more time.
Rock, paper,
Sit.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Got you and got you.
Oh,
I'm gonna go with this one.
okay.
Ready? Okay, let's start with our first one.
Okay, Dima. 3, 2, 1, open.
Oh, I got.
Woo! What is
We
this?
got already slime.
Okay.
Ooh, I like these.
It's the pop-up. Those are the
Yeah.
pop-ups. Okay, we'll
Oh,
pop
those are
them.
the sticky ones.
There's a lot of surprises inside those giant
They're
eggs.
sticky. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, I got
I got
more.
blue.
Okay. Oh, Easter eggs.
I got more, and I got glitter.
Okay, perfect.
I'm gonna go with the small
Okay,
one.
now I'm gonna go with this one. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my
Can I see it? What is it?
Oh, it's.
Oh.
I got
So we're going to
glitter.
be adding that to the slime.
Woo.
All right. Okay, and our last one. Ooh, it's heavy.
Together. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yes!
Okay. Ooh, you got
Both the same
blue.
color.
Okay, so what is it, Serene?
Okay, there's like little characters inside.
So this is the popping, the pop-ups.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so let's get started.
Let's get started. So you're
We'll
gonna
have
start with what?
scratches.
I'm gonna start with my pop-ups.
I'm
Okay.
gonna start with my glue.
Oh!
Woohoo! Just do it here.
They're so sticky.
And it's slime. Look at this little toy.
I'm gonna get it out.
And
No, you have to keep it inside.
Oh,
Yeah, of course.
the toys are also really sticky and gooey.
Right. Okay, Dima, here, pop it here. Let's see it. Oh!
Oh, there's nothing.
There's nothing inside. Okay.
Put that.
Perfect.
Okay, now let's put the glue.
Okay, now I'm going to be doing the pop-ups. Ready?
Gonna see.
I know there's a toy in here. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Ready?
Pop.
Whoa!
Wow! It's gooey. Ah.
Look at it. Oh, he's cute.
What is it?
I don't
Oh,
know.
this is so
It's
cute.
gooey too.
Okay.
Okay. Whoa! It looks like it can glow in the dark, and it matches the color of
I
it.
know, right?
Ready? Oh, this one's
Ah,
over.
there's
Okay.
another one with
I have
Serene.
4. Oh, now my hands are really sticky. Ready?
Oh!
Oh, there's nothing in here. Oh, this looks like. Oh.
I know. Ew! Okay, how about you, Dima?
I'm done with my glue.
Okay.
Ooh, this one's green.
Got green.
Got neon yellow, green.
What is it?
Ew!
Yeah, look
You
at.
got the same as me. Okay, so now I'm gonna be adding my little eggs.
Okay.
So
how
I
about
got
you,
blue.
Dima?
I'm adding my glitter.
Ooh,
Actually, I'll add this at the
glitter.
end. Do we have to add these in?
Yeah, just a little if you want, not all of it.
There we go. Ready? I'm gonna add some of my glitter.
Okay.
I'm gonna add my eggs.
I like that. I have everything bright. It's so bright and
I
pretty.
know, it's
You can add
pretty.
some
Look at
plates.
Dima's. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, how about you, Dima?
I'm gonna
Look at
add
this. It looks like galaxy.
I know, it's so pretty.
I wish it was like that when
Very
I'm gonna
nice.
mix it. I'm adding these at the end, my little eggs. Okay, now we're mixing. Ooh, that looks really pretty.
Okay, match your t-shirt, Serene.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, it's really neon pink.
Okay, guys. We're going to see who got the best slime.
It's like,
So pretty. Ooh, I love it. Look at Serene's. Okay, so we are done. Look at Dima's.
Oh,
What is? Oh, this is the little toy.
Oh.
Woo! Very nice. Come on, Serene. Where's your bubble?
about to make it.
Okay.
I can't see the pop-ups in here. They're all mixed.
Yeah, it's mixed. Oh, look what I have. What is this called again?
Beautiful. Woo! Look. What is it?
Whoa!
Oh, this is the
What's it called?
hay. Okay, girls. Let me see who's the master.
It's me.
The slime master. Oh, Serene, good job. Okay, Dima, go.
Serene is the bubble master. Everybody knows that.
Let me see, Dima. Who is the bubble master? It's Dima. Okay, I think both of you are the winners.
Bye, guys! Bye, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up.
thumbs up.
Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and don't forget to comment on the post which slime do you like better.
Serene, the pink one, or Dima, the yellow one.
Please, guys.
Bye, guys. Woo!
Ready? My trick.
Go, Serene.